How's it going, man?
Rex, is it?
Yeah. Jason?
My name's Jason, yeah. How are
Nice to meet
things,
you,
man?
Good night yourself.
Cool, man. The phone here. The screen's kind of even coming out as well, man. I've had this for quite a while.
You know what that is? Battery has swollen.
It's on like 30 or 40% and it just died randomly. And
Yeah. Suppose if you want to pop in around 3:45.
Cool, man. Really appreciate you like doing this to me on such short notice.
It's okay, man. That's all good. Take care of it.
Thanks, Rex.
Okay.
Man. Yeah,
100%.
absolutely. Things with it anyways.
Good. Battery is there.
Yeah, man. A1, man.
You know.
Appreciate you.
Yeah,
That's literally all I needed, like.
Yeah. Stuff, man. You know, always good talking to people.
Absolutely, Rex.
Okay.
Absolutely. All right.
Appreciate you, man. Okay. Bye now.